So hi guys, this is Fox here. This is my purchase today. I got it in a shop in Glasgow called Mankind. It's a Red5 Dune Buggy, 2.4 gigahertz, all-terrain. Looks pretty cool. So I'm going to take it for a test run later, get it charged up, see what it's all about. 1/10 scale. Looks pretty damn cool. There's your remote. Turn left, turn right, indicator switch, forward, back, all the usual refinements, as they say. I don't think there's much else I can show you in the box. Environmental protection, shock absorption system. Looks pretty good. Let's get it open. Here we go, let's get it home, see what it's all about. Ooh, it's pretty big. There's your box there. There's your vehicle. Nice big chunky tires. Looks pretty awesome. There your driver's there, or the driver rather. Looks pretty sweet. We're going to take this out later for a test run. £50 from Mankind. Here's our control pad. It's pretty awesome. I think it takes 4 AA's, 3 AA's, something like that. Feels good in your hand. Nice. So here's the buggy rather. Looks nice. It's got some good suspension on it. Looks like we're gonna have quite a lot of fun with this one. Looks like it's going to be quite fast as well. High speed, explore high speed off-road tire suspension, powerful motor, shock damper. So I'm kind of new to this remote control game, but gonna get right into it.